Can I sell USDT on Kraken? Intro. Question hook. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if you can sell USDT on Kraken? It's a common question, and today, we're going to dive deep into it. Building context. USDT basics. Let's start with the basics. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This means its value is meant to remain stable, unlike other cryptocurrencies that can fluctuate wildly. Kraken's reputation. Kraken is a well-known and respected cryptocurrency exchange. It's known for its security, liquidity, and advanced trading features. Answering the question. Yes, you can. So, to answer the question directly, yes, you can sell USDT on Kraken. It's a straightforward process that even beginners can handle. Step-by-step guide. Let's break down the steps involved. Create a Kraken account. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a Kraken account. This involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Deposit USDT. Once your account is set up, you can deposit USDT. Kraken supports various deposit methods, including bank transfers, cryptocurrency transfers, and more. Place a sell order. After your USDT is deposited, you can place a sell order. You'll need to specify the amount of USDT you want to sell and the price you're willing to accept. Withdraw your funds. Once your sell order is executed, you can withdraw your funds to your bank account or another cryptocurrency wallet. Additional considerations. Fees. Keep in mind that Kraken charges fees for trading and withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the trading volume and withdrawal method. Market conditions. The price of USDT can fluctuate slightly, although it's generally stable. It's essential to be aware of market conditions and potential price movements when selling. Security. Always prioritize security when trading cryptocurrencies. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Conclusion. Recap. So, to recap, you can indeed sell USDT on Kraken. It's a relatively simple process that involves creating an account, depositing USDT, placing a sell order, and withdrawing your funds. Final thoughts. Remember to consider fees, market conditions, and security when trading cryptocurrencies. With a little knowledge and practice, you can confidently sell USDT on Kraken. Call to action. Subscribe and like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related content. Ask questions. Do you have any questions about selling USDT on Kraken or cryptocurrencies in general? Feel free to leave a comment below. Closing. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy trading.